You know, you can arrange a wedding on Sabbath. Because the wedding is holy and the Sabbath is holy, two holy things cannot make each other dirty. They cannot. So divine service, you preach on marriage. Then ukimaliza, women ministry, itasindikiza msichana. And Adventist men, itasindikiza kijana. And then watakuja hapa, and then nitaweka hapa, niwapeleke through the vows. And then witnesses wao wakiwa pale wakuja wasign. Alafu wakimaliza, I will have declared them husband and wife. Na ujue kuna vows. Zile vows sio Biblia inasema. Katika Biblia, you will never get a place where a wife is promising a husband and a husband is promising wife. It's not in the Bible. The exchanging of vows is a government requirement, because the government looks at marriage as a contract. So in the contract, each party must specify what they will do. So ndio mtu anasema nitakupenda, nitafanya hivi, na serikali inasikiliza. The day you will miss to do one of those things, she will be justified for divorce.